My name's Jim, my wife Jessica, and we live in McHenry. And they did the siding and the downspouts for the gutters. I found Innovative because I work in Crystal Lake, and they're in Crystal Lake, and I also knew Rain O'Rourke, and that's how I contacted them originally. I actually inquired about a repair on the siding because I had some burn damage to my siding from a grill mishap, and that's how we chose to come across using them. Again, I knew the name from working in Crystal Lake, and they're in Crystal Lake also, but I also know they're public adjusters, and I didn't really know how to handle the situation, so I wanted to call someone who could just handle it for me. And to tell you the truth, there was minimal experience because I didn't deal with them at all, because the public adjusters at Innovative just dealt with it for me, I suppose. I suppose what stood out most is literally, I inquired about a repair originally to the siding. I was told that it couldn't be repaired, and the person just took care of everything. So literally, I didn't have anything to do, and that's what really stands out to me, I suppose. Whenever we called about inquiries about insurance or anything like that, it just seemed efficient and quick. I do repair work for a living, so typically I'm a detail-oriented person, and what I noticed is that anything I checked or inquired about, it met or exceeded the expectation, because I just thought that anyone you typically hire, something's not done up to par, but everything was done up to par, in my opinion. What did you think?
I agree. Everything was handled in a timely manner, and they were always on time, and they were tidy and very friendly.
The downspouts are directed towards designated drains in the ground because we had a little bit of a water management issue. But the siding, of course, I like the way it looks most. And the insulation underneath, I didn't have Tyvek before, so the Tyvek was put on. So I feel like it was just an overall upgrade to the value of the house.
I agree.
Don't just renovate it, innovate it.
Ooh, yeah. To innovate your home, what's the